Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the uniform scale to adjust the width and height of your videos in CapCut PC. I'm just going to be selecting this video right here, and to adjust it, select uniform scale here. And for instance, you want to scale just the width, you can select this to stretch it out or stretch it in. Double click it if you want the original sizing, or just type 100%. And this one's for the height as well. You can make it really like stretched out, like really tall, or make it like super squeezed in. For instance, you've like stretched it and you kind of want to like scale it up again. You can turn on the uniform scale again and it will scale up like normally. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!